Hi, this is Suzanne and this is Suzanne Cotton Studio, and I'd love to share with you today how to make a cute little box made out of one square sheet of paper. So this paper is 12 centimetres square and it's been cut out of a lovely piece of wrapping paper, quite a thick, good quality wrapping paper this is. It's a lovely activity to do, especially when it's raining outside as it is at the moment. Nice and relaxing, and you can just lose yourself in making this. Trying to keep the folds really neat and straight, trying to keep everything as accurate as possible, and you'll end up with what looks like a bit of a grid pattern on your paper. The central point of the paper is going to be the base of the box, and two of the corners are going to be the lid of the box, and the other two are going to form part of the base. So I'm just pointing out the base of the box here at the moment. I'm going to start snipping little bits out now, just to make it a little bit easier to fold. So I've cut all those pieces out, and you can see now that there is a clear shape that has emerged. I'm just going to make two last folds before we start putting the box together. And just creasing the ends here. And again on this side. And now that should make it really easy to start folding this into shape. So just take your time with this bit as you tuck those sides in to form the base. And be a little bit fiddly. There's one side in, and we'll do exactly the same on the other side. I love working with printed wrapping papers, and there's lots out there to choose from. I think I bought this one from Waterstones, but if you go online, there's lots more choice. Just make sure it's a nice thick quality paper, or you could even have a go at designing your own paper or printing your own paper. Maybe that will be another video that I will show you how to do that. And just to finish off the box, I'm going to add a little origami heart that I've made. The heart is from a piece of paper 7 by 7 centimetre square, and you can see how to make these on another one of my videos. Just tucking it into the corner, and I just think it makes a really nice finishing touch. Thanks for watching.